Hello guys, so today let's talk about playing Fortnite on Linux. So we all know that Fortnite is not natively supported by Linux and there will be complications if you use any emulators such as Wine HQ. So this is basically a Linux application where you can run Windows applications on several POSIX compliant operating systems including Mac OS and BSD. So this is very common for Linux users where they can game, especially offline games, not competitive games on their machine. So let's cancel this. Do not try this because this will risk your account into ban. So the best thing to do is to dual boot. There will be two separate PJ storages on your Linux machine, one for Linux and one for Windows OS. So every time you play, boot into your Windows OS and you'll be good to go. So basically that's it on how to play Fortnite on Linux. You need a dual boot.